How's it going? I'm Jeff with Batson Enterprises and welcome back to Build to Fish. We are going to be putting on a tip top today on this build that we have. It's a Revelation casting 6/8 medium. This one comes right off of the print here. This is one of our rod blueprints. You can get these on RainShadowRodBlanks.com. So today we're going to be putting on the top. As you can see, we got our carbon grips on there. We got our MVT reel seat. We got our carbon foregrips. And it's tip top time. So here we go. The way I like to do tip tops is pretty quick and dirty. You can do a lot of them pretty fast this way, and it's actually a functional way to put them on as well. So it ends up being pretty structurally sound. So what I like to do is I take my tip top glue stick here. It's just on this little handle for ease of setting it down or whatever. But I like to get it heated up. Here we go, getting nice and gooey and hot, and then I put this right on the tip. It's always good to have some sitting right on the very tip top, kind of sticking off there a little bit. Then I'm going to get it hot again, hot, 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 hot. Tip top tube, like an ice cream scoop, right through there. Boom. So what I got now is I got tip top cement on the tip of the rod blank, and I got tip top cement in the tube of the tip top. So by now they've both cooled off already, so I'm just going to heat them back up. And together they go. And turn the tip top, twist it as it's going down. A little more heat here. Right now you're probably saying, Jeff, that's just a mess. Look at that. Well, just wait. Just bear with me here. So I'm going to get it somewhat lined up. It's a casting rod. Get it somewhat lined up there. And now what I'm going to do, I have all this excess. And the excess is good. It means I have it all inside that tube. And so I'm going to get a good bond going forward. So I'm going to heat it up again. And then I'm going to take my finger, I'm going to wrap it right around there, just like so. It's nice to have a paper towel. Take that off of there. And I'm looking pretty good already. Maybe that transition that I just made with my finger, that might be a little bit hazy or a little bit rough, or I might be off alignment just a little bit. So guess what? I'm going to heat it up again. Boom. Dial it right in. I don't have too much glue there. If I was going to do a thread wrap, I'd probably take off a little bit more, but right now I have a nice transition of tip cement. I'm straight with the spine and the handle. Tip top's done. So that's it. Once you get going on these, you can do quite a few of them pretty fast. That's it for tip top install. Okay, so the tip top is installed now. We've let it sit here for about 30 seconds, and you know, the spinning and the method that we use to put this on has created an incredibly strong bond with this top. I mean, it is not, that's as hard as I can pull, little 5.5 tube size, and it's not going anywhere. I'll break the tip of this blank before I can get this thing off of here. So that's it. That's how I like to do it. You know, be sure to watch more of our social media videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks a lot, guys, and come see us again soon. Take care.